Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do constructions of quadrilaterals. Our learning objectives are constructions of quadrilateral, constructions of special type of quadrilateral. We know that the sides, angle and diagonals of the quadrilateral are called the parts. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angle and 2 diagonal. Quadrilateral की 4 sides होती है, 4 angle and 2 diagonals. 10 parts. For the construction of quadrilateral uniquely, at least 5 of its part must be given, such as 4 sides, 1 diagonal, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, 4 sides and 1 angle, 3 sides and 2 angle, 3 sides and 2 included angle. So, any of these is given, we can construct a quadrilateral. Case 1. Constructions of the quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. If 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, we can construct quadrilateral. So, we will understand this construction through an example. We will take an example here. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ 4 cm, QR 6 cm, R as 5 cm and P as 6.5 cm. So, first we will draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral PQRS to understand the figure. So, first we will draw the rough sketch. It will be easy for us to understand how to draw the quadrilateral. So, this is the rough sketch. PQ 4 cm, SP 6.5 cm, RQ that is 6 cm, RP diagonal 7.5 cm है and SR that is 5 cm. So, first what we will do? First we will draw the base PQ 4 cm. Then we will take Q as a center and draw an arc 6 cm. Then Q as a center and 6 cm पे एक arc बनाएंगे. Clear? Then P as a center, draw an arc of 7.5 cm. Now we will take P as a center and one more arc. पहले Q से बनाएंगे, then P as a center 7.5 cm. ठीक है? Next, with P as a center, draw an arc of the radius 6.5 cm. Now, again we will take P as a center, draw an arc of 6.5 cm. Clear? Then, with R as the center, draw an arc of 5 cm, cut the previous arc at S. Now, we will take R as a center and 5 cm will make one arc. That is the point S. We will join them. So, this is our quadrilateral PQRS. Clear? So, here we have joined Q to R, R to S, P to S and P to R. So, we will get the quadrilateral PQRS. Clear? Next is case 2. Construction of the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Now, here 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. In this type of construction, firstly draw the triangle and then locate the 4th point to get the required quadrilateral. We will take an example here. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5 cm, BC 6 cm, CD 4 cm and AC 7 cm are given and BD 8 cm are given. So, solution. First, we will draw the rough sketch of the required quadrilateral ABCD to understand the figure. Means what kind of figure it is. Next is steps of construction. First, we will draw AB 5 cm, then A as a center, draw an arc of 7 cm. First, AB 5 cm, then A as a center, draw an arc of 7 cm. Next, we will take B as a center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm. Now, B as a center will draw an arc of 6 cm. That is our point C. With C as a center, draw an arc of radius 4 cm. Now, C as a center, draw an arc of 4 cm right here. Next, now B as a center, draw an arc of 8 cm radius. Now, B as a center 8 cm पे radius लेके will draw an arc. Clear? Now, this is the point D. Now, join B to C, C to D, A to D, A to C and B to D. That is our required quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? इनको join कर देंगे इस तरीके से. So, this is our required quadrilateral ABCD. Next, case 3. Construction of the quadrilateral when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So, first we draw the triangle and Then getting the fourth point, we can construct the quadrilateral. So we'll take an example here. Construct a quadrilateral MNOP in which MN 7 cm, NO 7.3 cm, angle M 80 degree, N 90 degree and O 110 degrees given. Solution. First we'll draw the rough sketch of the required quadrilateral MNOP to understand the figure. Next, steps of construction. First we'll draw the base, that is MN 7 cm. Now we'll make angle at M of 80 degree and here on N we'll make an angle of 90 degree. Clear? At N and cut the 7.3 cm. यहाँ पे हम एक आर्क बनाएंगे 7.3 cm पे. Clear? That is the point O. Now make an angle of 110 degree. यहाँ पे हम एक 110 degree का angle बनाएंगे which cuts here at point P. So that is our required quadrilateral MNOP. Clear? Next is case 4. Constructions of the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Here 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So let us understand this type of construction with the help of following example. Construct a quadrilateral EFGH in which EF 6 cm, FG 6.4 cm, EH 7 cm, angle E 70 degree, F 100 degree. So first we'll draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral to get the idea of the figure. Next, steps of construction. First we'll draw the EF 6 cm. EF draw करेंगे 6 cm. Then here at E will construct the angle of 70 degree. Clear? Now 70 degree करने के बाद EH will draw 7 cm की एक आर्क बनाएंगे. That is the point H. Now we'll make angle of 100 degree at F. Clear? Now 6.4 cm, F as a center will make one arc 6.4 cm. That is point G. We'll join them. So that is our required quadrilateral EFGH. Clear? Next is case 5. Construction of the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 1 angle are given. In this type of construction, we will follow the same technique as used before. We'll take an example here. Construct a quadrilateral RSTU in which RS 4.8 cm, ST 5.3 cm, TU 6 cm, RU 5 cm and angle R 120 degree given. Solution. First we'll draw the rough sketch of the required quadrilateral RSTU to understand the figure. Next, steps of construction. First we'll draw RS 4.8 cm, RS 4.8 cm. Now we'll make angle of 120 degree at R. R पे हम 120 डिग्री का एक एंगल बनाएंगे एंड टेक R एज अ सेंटर 5 सेंटीमीटर का एक आर्क बनाएंगे. दैट इज पॉइंट U. जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा दैट इज पॉइंट U. क्लियर? नाउ विल टेक S एज अ सेंटर and draw an arc of radius 5.3 cm. Clear? एक 5.3 cm का arc बनाएंगे. Now we'll take U as a center and 6 cm का एक arc बनाएंगे. That is the point T. We'll join them. So this is our required quadrilateral RSTU. Next is exercise 13.1. Construct a quadrilateral MNOP in which M is 6 cm, NO 6.4 cm, OP 7 cm, MO 7.5 cm and NP 8 cm. So sides are given. First, we'll draw a rough diagram. Suppose this is our quadrilateral MNOP. Now what are given? MN, that is 6 cm. So this is 6 cm. Then NO 6.4 cm. 6.4 cm. Clear? Then OP 7 cm. OP 7 cm. Then MO 7.5 centimeter. MO means the diagonal, that is 7.5 centimeter. And NP, another diagonal is given, that is 8 centimeter. Clear? So for that, first we'll draw a line segment MN, that is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now M as a center 7.5 सेंटीमीटर का एक आर्क बनाएंगे. क्लियर? नाउ N एज अ सेंटर 6.4 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क बनाएंगे, दैट इज पॉइंट O. Join them. So that is 6.5 centimeter. Now what we'll do? Take N as a center 8 centimeter का will make one arc. Now O as a center 7 centimeter का आर्क बनाएंगे, that is point P. We'll join them together. This is our required quadrilateral MNOP. This is 7 centimeter. Here it is 8 centimeter and this is 7.5 centimeter. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is construction of special type of quadrilaterals. For the construction of the quadrilateral like parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, etc., we can use their special feature as follow. Opposite sides of the parallelogram equal, opposite angle of the parallelogram equal, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other, diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angle, the pair of opposite sides of trapezium are parallel, opposite sides of rhombus are equal and opposite angle of rhombus are equal. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice all the examples. More examples, you have to practice them all. Next is exercise 13.2. Construct a parallelogram whose diagonals are 5.4 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter. Angle between them is 70 degree. Suppose first we'll draw a rough diagram. This is a parallelogram. So diagonals that are given to us B, C and D, and diagonals are given 5.4 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter. Suppose this is 5.4 centimeter and this is 6.2 centimeter and the angle between them is 70 degree. So now first we'll draw AC, that is 5.4 centimeter. Now we'll draw a perpendicular bisector of this line. So that will bisect at point O. Now here with the help of protractor we'll draw an angle of 70 degree. This is the angle of 70 degree. Now as we know BD is 6.2 centimeter. So diagonal क्या करता है? Bisect करता है. That means this length will be half of that. 6.2 का half 3.1 centimeter. So take C as a center, draw an arc, and here also one arc. So this is our point D and this is our point B. We'll join them. So this is our required quadrilateral. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is summary. To construct a quadrilateral, any one of the following conditions should be given: 4 sides and 1 diagonal, 3 sides and 2 diagonal, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, 3 sides and 2 included angles, 4 sides and 1 angle. Special type of quadrilaterals are constructed with the help of the properties because the properties given enough information about the measurement. Next is multiple choice question. Take the correct option. Which of the following is a regular quadrilateral? So regular quadrilateral, square is a regular quadrilateral. So option C is the correct answer here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand well. Now you to practice it.